Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon credit card login Synchrony Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're trying to log into your Amazon Store card or Amazon Prime Store card issued by Synchrony Bank, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in amazon.com, and then once you're inside, what you need to do is tap on the Your Account option on the top and then simply log into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the Amazon card under your account settings. Then simply select your Manage Account or Link Now button. Then you'll be redirected to a Synchrony hosted page where you enter your Synchrony Bank username and password to access your stored card details. This rule often works when the standalone Synchrony login fails. The next is to direct login via Synchrony site or app. To do it, simply head over and open up your Synchrony Bank app and log into your account. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is visit Synchrony login portal for cards and select Amazon Store card. Then click on register now if you haven't created credentials yet, and then create a username and a password, and then once done, enter them on the login page and then simply tap on or click on login. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.